Welcome to my online class. I am Muhammad Mahmud Hassan, Assistant Teacher, Greenfield School and College. Today I am going to teach you about collection of agricultural inputs and their uses through agricultural cooperatives. This is section 2, chapter 6. We can divide agricultural inputs into several groups in large scale. We shall see that through cooperative it is possible to collect these inputs in proper amount as well as we can ensure maximum profitable use of these inputs. The first important input is agricultural land. It has been observed from research of both Bangladesh Agricultural University and Bangladesh Agricultural Research Institute that it is not possible to run an agricultural farm profitably without having at least 1 hectare of land. But most of the farmers of our country are the owner of lesser amount of agricultural land compared to this amount. Even those who have 2 or half acres of land or more, they also are not able to buy necessary instruments, especially costly machineries to modernize the agricultural activities. If somehow they buy, they cannot get maximum use of these machineries. After completing own works, they have to keep the machine idle or to lease it. A large number of land can be brought under same management practice through cooperatives. In that case, the maximum profitable usage of all the agricultural input can be ensured. If the cooperatives, member of cooperative, become agreeable, rainwater rainwater can be held by converting some lands to water body from which irrigation water supply can be ensured whenever necessary. That means comparatively lower land can also be brought under cooperatives. In presence of efficient and transparent management system, the land under cooperative can be increased up to 400 hectares. But the land plan of the land use can be arranged newly simultaneous with the increase in land area. Next input is water. Water is very important for agricultural activities. It is not possible to carry out any agricultural operation without water. In few decades ago, deep tube well were recommended for agricultural operation in our country. Through gathering experiences, we have learnt that intensive use of deep tube oil is not eco-friendly. The most secured water is the water of water body. It is best to use water from water body throughout the year by collecting rain water from water body in the rainy season. Irrigation water can be used in the land under cooperative by constructing water body and supplying water from there through irrigation channel or pipes with the help of pump in low cost. The cost of irrigation with surface water collected from the water body is comparatively very low. Besides irrigation, this water of the water body can also be used in other works which is profitable. Agricultural machinery. Agricultural mechanization is necessary for the modernization of agriculture. Starting from power tiller and tractor, many types of machinery are used in all agricultural activities, including crop production, rearing livestock, poultry and fishes. The buying, direction and maintenance of this instrument is not so easily possible under personal ownership, unlike performing under cooperatives. Our agricultural production can go beyond the quality of other countries if used any agricultural equipment is used after collection by cooperative system. Collection, production and uses of ingredients like fertilizer, medicine, seed, feed, etc. for agriculture. Seed, fertilizer, rearing cattle and poultry, fish feed and even major part of medicine for disease treatment can be produced by cooperative. Government agricultural service organizations provide seed, fertilizer, medicine. Cooperative can identify its yearly need previously and service organizations can provide that information earlier. Thus, National Agricultural Service organizations can take necessary steps in right time by knowing total demand of ingredients suitable for supply. Agricultural loan. It is helpful for agriculture for getting required amount of agricultural loan safely and within the time. Loan providing organization will feel free to give loan if the agricultural cooperative is registered. Firstly, loan receiver has the registered identity. Secondly, assurance for proper using of loan money. Thirdly and finally, assurance for capability of timely loan return to cooperative. Homework. Question 1. Make a list of agricultural ingredients that can be collected through cooperative. Thanks for watching this video.